what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should have never let you be, 'cause you got me face down. Don't take this personal, but you're the worst. You know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name of bongi.radebe for those who don't know, and if you're returning Sabi, hi my love. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. I hope that you guys are well. I hope that you're good, because I'm good. Guys, I'm currently on recess. Like, I've genuinely been doing nothing. It's Tuesday today, and woke up today, made some lovely breakfast. I've just been chilling. Like, I've been chilling. Right now, I'm craving ice cream. Guys, I'm craving ice cream, I'm craving cake. I just feel like it's because the monthlies are coming. So I'm contemplating buying a whole cake, literally. But yeah, man, I just wanted to say hi. I start this vlog. You guys are gonna spend recess with me. I think the vlog is probably gonna go to another week, most probably, because then I'm not doing a lot of things because it's recess. So yeah, but I just wanted to start the vlog and just say hi. This is me now. All of me is a fall. All of me is a fall. Elegant at the same time. Like, I feel like this is also my favorite. Like, morning, guys. Yeah, guys, I am not having a good time. I looked at my problems probably, but I want to go to the mall. I'm thinking, is it a good idea? Is it not a good idea? It's currently 2 o'clock. The mall closes at 6. So if I shower now, I'll be ready by 3 to leave. But I'm just like thinking about it, you know. But I'm gonna go shower now, you know. Anyway, guys, good morning. I'm so rude. I thought to say good morning, but yeah, I specifically want to go to Clicks, specifically just Clicks, because I need toiletries and come back. But now, yeah, you know what, let me not stop overthinking it. Let me shower. Because also I took off my wig yesterday because I was just going through it. I was going through it. Now I need to install my wig again. That's what frustrates me, because a funny story is I didn't unbraid my entire hair, so I need to put my wig on. So guys, let's just start this day. Guys, I'm finally ready and I'm about to leave. I just requested, so it's 6 minutes away. And yeah, I look good, hey? I decided to look good because I've just been feeling really like horrible, so why not look good, you know? I might go on a solo date, but I'm still thinking about it. It depends on how much money I spend at the mall. Okay, but yeah, let me go, guys. King Azam need me to rock shades, so I'm gonna rock shades. Okay, but let's go, guys. The person is outside, so I'm leaving a message in my room, but that's something we'll do later. So like the way I don't guys, everything is so expensive, like I'm stressed. What's this one? It's not the same one. Is it not this one? This is the one I was using hate pearls. Like, I hate this one so much. It's even turn. This is a dry comfort. I'm hungry. I'm broke. Toiletries cost 1 million. But I decided, you know what? Let me just eat. I'll worry about the rest later. So I'm currently in Magandhi and I just wanna eat something quick. You know, nothing too crazy. Just a quick meal. Yeah. So
My heart is hard to carry after dark. You're to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far.
guys, I'm so confused with this straw and this business that's going on here, but this drink is giving me so much anxiety. The orange looks the straw. Like nothing is, it's a cosmopolitan, but side eye.
Out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you, started. Last night we didn't stay it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, we ain't either.
Musical number. It reminds me of when you're mad and you're calling a certain company, they're on hold, and then this is the music they play to keep you calm. Like, I'm trigger. I'm very triggered. I was actually gonna finish this drink because I wanna leave. I wanna go to Woolies quickly, and then I'll see where else I go if I head home. Oh, do I wanna go to Woolies though? No, actually, I'm just going to the food court and then home.
I should've stayed, cause you know what's on my mind, so
Yeah, so guys, I came back like a long time ago. I was just tired, and also I had a lengthy conversation with my roommate. So yeah, but I just wanted to update you guys. I'm back, and do a bit of a haul, a cute short haul. So I went to Clicks, and basically I went to Clicks to get some toiletries. So I went to get some shower gels from Oh So Heavenly. So I got 2 of these for 120, I remember. So I got these 2 types. Honestly, I like how they smell, so yeah, I got these. And then I got this 4 bars of Dove, which I'm probably gonna finish before the month even ends, because I know myself. And then I got some deodorant. I got 2 of these for 68 rand, which is like 70 rand basically. This is what I use. And then I got body mists. I got this one again that I plugged you guys with. Got it again. And then I got the OG, also heavenly. So yeah, like how these smell. And that's basically it. So right now I just changed, got comfortable. I have an extra class in an hour for auditing, so I actually have some work I had to do yesterday and I didn't do it, so I need to do it now before the extra class starts, because it's pointless for me to go to an extra class without me being prepared. So we're just gonna do that quickly, and then I'll catch up with you guys probably later after my class. So because my class is 2 hours, so I'm gonna catch up with you guys later during the day, the night. So yeah, on this menu we have chicken feet. So I'm gonna make chicken feet and pap because I've been craving pap and chicken feet. So we're gonna do that, okay? So guys, it's Saturday. Yesterday I didn't shoot. I went to get my corners done. I had to switch it up a little bit, so I'm gonna have these corners probably like a month or 2 months. I don't know. At this point, I don't even know. So now I am actually have an assignment to finish that's due on Monday. A group assignment. So kind of have to finish it today to give me. So I have to meet up with my group. So we're going to the mall. We're going to Millie's Cafe. So yeah, so I want to install this hair because I personally am not gonna work out with this ish condos because ish I don't know, I just don't like the shape of my head. But yeah, guys, I don't want to talk much because it's already like 1 o'clock. It's late. Like it's late. Like it is very late. You know. So let me play some music so this can go faster because I need to shower. I forgot to take off the glue. Oh my god. Guys, I'm at the mall and I'm actually going through it. Like, I just dropped my phone and it cracked. Like, it literally cracked. I don't know where the flash is coming from. It literally cracked. I'm not okay. So now we are at Typo to buy me a new cover. So I have options. 2 options.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up.
Guys, I hope you guys can hear me, but I almost died a few minutes ago. So my phone fell, but luckily there's a screen protector. So we're good. We're Gucci, but I'm gonna insure it literally today. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm insuring this phone today because I can't walk around with low insurance. It's not safe. Okay. Anyway, we're at Willie's. We're at the Willie's Cafe now. I didn't tell you guys when I left. I didn't show you guys my OTV. Like, so yeah. Anyway, bye.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you.
So guys, second location. I'm still working on the assignment though. Currently at Magambi for cake and to finish this assignment basically because it's not finishing. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys.
We got us all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I brought away dead and buried, till I'm in the grave. You can carry if you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. Can't change the weather.
Guys, don't judge how I look. It's currently like 3 o'clock. I'm having such a slow day. I just woke up. Literally just woke up, and then on top of that, I had to go do my laundry. And I bumped into a subscriber in the laundry because I was vlogging, and she was like, "Are you vlogging?" I'm like, "Yeah." That was like a cute moment. Like I said, that's so cute. If you're watching this, love you, dad. Like I said, I never thought people that stay here actually watch me, which is a crazy thought if I'm being honest. But I just never thought, hey, like I just never thought. But like yeah, I have an unexpected class now. My day is starting out a bit crazy if you ask me, but we're just gonna like try and make sense of it. Sunday, tomorrow's school. Back to school, Kesana, just like that. I can't wait to get these 2 months over and done with. Like I don't even have those, oh, like I don't want undergrad to finish, like yeah, I don't have that. I just want it to be done. Like I'm over it. I'm over fighting for my life, over this degree. Like yes, I want to get it, but I'm just over everything. Like I just want to close my eyes, open them. It's November, darling. Like, because honestly I can't. It's been enough suffering and I can't do it anymore. So yeah, but anyway guys, I literally have a class now and my phone's gonna die. Let me stop playing.
Might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love.
Sup my doors. Hi my loves. So guys, I'm editing this vlog and I just realized, like, you know what, this vlog is like literally in the time limit that my vlogs are usually are. So instead of like piling up the vlog and also vlogging this week, I decided to close down that previous vlog right over here. So guys, if you've watched till this far, thank you so much for your support. And if you reach the end, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I can't believe we are on 2,600 subbies. So we might actually make 3K. Might make 5K by the end of this year. Like, that is the goal and that is still the mission, okay? But yeah guys, I just want to come here and close off this recent vlog. Yeah man, you know guys, I don't talk much. Until next time.